Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to access specific characters of a string. As you can see over here, I have the string programming ! stored in a variable called my_string. So what if I wanted to print out only the fifth character in the string? Remember that the computer would read the fifth character as character number 4, because the first character is actually 0. So if I wanted to print out only the fifth character, here's what I would write. Print my_string, and in square brackets, I would write 4. Whenever you want to access a certain character of a string, always follow the format, variable name, and in square brackets, write the number. Guess what the output of this code would be? When I run the code, you can see that the output is only R, which is the fifth character. Now what if I wanted to print only the first 5 characters of the string? I want to print the character numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, but not number 5, because those are the first 5 characters. Here's what I would do. I would write print my_string, and in square brackets, I would write 0 is to 5. This technique of printing a certain chunk of a string is called slicing. When you want to print only a certain chunk of a string, follow the format, variable name, and in square brackets, write the first number, a colon, and then write the second number plus 1. Remember this, the second number in the square brackets should always be the last character you want to print out plus 1, because of what we learned about the computer starting counting characters from 0. So in this case, if I want to print out the characters 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then I would write 0 is to 4 plus 1 in the square brackets, which is 0 is to 5. So when I run the code, you can see that it prints PROGR, the first 5 characters of the string. Here's another example. If I wanted to print out only the last 2 exclamation marks of the string, what would I do then? Pause the video and take a guess. Well, when you count the characters in the string starting from 0, you will find that the last 2 exclamation marks are characters number 11 and 12. So I would write print my_string, and in the square brackets, I would write 11 is to 13. This code will print everything in the string from character number 11 to character number 13 minus 1, which is 12. So when I run the code, you can see that the output is the last 2 exclamation marks. Now try the activity below to practice slicing strings yourself.